Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the MAC Satin Lipstick in Snob, and it is, like I said, a MAC lipstick. It's color plus texture. It has a satin finish. It won't feather or transfer. The color stays true. It helps lips stay soft and hydrated. So a little bit about the color Snob. It has a high color payoff, smooth texture with moderate shine, and contains vitamin E, C, and vanilla is added for aroma and flavor, which is always nice to have a nice smelling lipstick. This is one that I really like. It's kind of a very bright or light pink. It's something, it's a nice like light pink, daytime light pink. I don't know if any of you know who Angeline is. She's a poster board girl, or woman I should say now. She kind of dresses like, she has very blonde hair and a hot pink convertible and kind of wears like a bimbo-y lipstick. So this is kind of, I hate to say it, but it's kind of like a bimbo-y color lipstick. And this reminds you that you can return all of your packaging back to MAC. They give you credit when you turn it in. So this color Snob, let's take a look at it. It's a really nice pink. I think it's pretty. I'm going to try it on my arm for you so you can see what it looks like. So see, it has a very high color payoff. You can even wear it daytime, you can wear it nighttime. Has a nice satin finish to it. They last for a long time. I've had this for a little bit. The colors last for a long time. So this is the color Snob. And smelling it, I can smell the vanilla. It's really nice. All of the MAC lipsticks usually I am a big fan of. Sorry, this is getting a little blurry. So yeah, Snob is one to add to your arsenal, and it's just a nice bright pink, something fun to wear. You know, if you're wearing something pink, this is something nice to pick up the pink in your outfit, accentuate your lips. Like I said, I really like MAC Cosmetics. They really make great products, especially lipsticks. Favorite colors, Russian Red, followed by Ruby Woo, which are both reds. But I do like the pink, and they actually have the lip gloss that matches Snob if you want more of a shiny, sparkly texture over this color. So you can pick that up with this one. So yeah, the lip glosses, I have to say, are really great too. Let's see, once again, I'll show you it in the tube. So it's a nice light pink. Like I said, it smells really pleasant. It smells like vanilla. When you're done with it, you can take it to the store and turn it in with any of your extra MAC packaging, because they recycle, which is really nice. I don't know if they test on animals or not. I'm not sure about that. So try this out, this MAC in Snob, and give it a try. Don't just take my word for it, and thanks so much for watching.